Hi everybody, in this short lesson I'll teach you how to use yet, already and still to talk about the progress of your projects. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. A quick reminder before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that now. Press the red button and don't forget to click on the little bell. And now let's get started with the lesson. So we often use the present perfect with the key words yet, already and still to talk about the progress of projects. Let's take a look at how it works. So imagine this is one of your project tasks, set targets, and we want to express that the task has been completed. To do this, we need to form the present perfect. So we take have or has followed by the third form, also called the past participle. So have or has set. I have, you have, he, she, it has, and set, set, set. So set is the third form. Have or has set. And we're going to use we as the subject, so we get we have set targets. To emphasize that it has been completed, we add already, and it comes after have or has and before the third form. So we get we have already set targets. Say it with me. We have already set targets. And the short form, we've already set targets. Say it with me. We've already set targets. Now let's look at another task. Create a budget. This time we want to express that this has not been completed. So again we take have or has plus the third form, and we also have to add not because it's a negative form. Have or has not created. So we get we have not created a budget. To emphasize that it has not been completed, we add yet at the end. We have not created a budget yet. Say it with me. We have not created a budget yet. And the short form, we haven't created a budget yet. Say it with me. We haven't created a budget yet. We also use the present perfect to ask about the progress of a task. Imagine you want to know if the following task has been completed. Define the project goal. Again, we need have or has plus the third form. So we get have or has defined. Have you defined the project goal? To emphasize that we expect this goal to be completed by now, we add yet at the end of the question. Have you defined the project goal yet? Say it with me. Have you defined the project goal yet? Now let's look at another task. Define roles. This time we want to express that the task has not been completed and that we are surprised or annoyed that it is taking longer than expected. Again, we take have or has plus the third form and not because it's a negative. So we get have or has not defined. We have not defined roles. We add still to emphasize that we are surprised or annoyed that it is taking longer than expected, and we put still after the subject and before have or has. We still have not defined roles. Say it with me. We still have not defined roles. And the short form, we still haven't defined roles. Say it with me. We still haven't defined roles. Now let's do a quick recap. Use already to emphasize that something has been done and place it after have or has and before the third form. We've already set targets. Use yet to emphasize that something has not been done and place it at the end of the sentence. We haven't created a budget yet. Use yet at the end of a question to show that you expect the task to be completed by now. Have you defined the project goal yet? And use still to emphasize that something has not been done and that we are surprised or even annoyed that it is taking longer than expected. Place it after the subject and before have or has. We still haven't defined roles. Now it's your turn. You'll see 3 project tasks and each task will be followed by a symbol or symbols. The tick means the task has been done, the X means the task has not been done, and the X and the exclamation mark together means the task has not been done and you are surprised or annoyed that it is taking longer than expected. You have 5 seconds to form the sentence using we as the subject. Are you ready? The first task is choose the project team. We have not chosen the project team yet. Or we haven't chosen the project team yet. Next we have set up a communication plan. We still have not set up a communication plan. Or we still haven't set up a communication plan. The last one is define the scope. We have already defined the scope, or we've already defined the scope. So there we have it, some great examples of how you can use yet, already and still to talk about the progress of your projects. If you have any other examples, let me know in the comments and also let me know what other areas of business English you're interested in and I'll try to cover them in an upcoming lesson. You'll find all the examples from this lesson listed in the description below. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my free vocabulary email with additional business English, words from the news and everyday English for you to learn. So check it out, the link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.